Now, recently there was an article news जहाँ पे ये लिखा था that Iran hanged two men over case of blasphemy. And in the article, it had stated that just in this year, 2023, लगभग 200 से ऊपर लोगों को ईरान ने एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया है since the beginning of this year itself. And the two men recently who were executed for blasphemy. और इन लोगों का जुर्म क्या था? ये लोग एक टेलीग्राम चैनल चला रहे थे जिसका नाम था क्रिटिक ऑफ सुपरस्टिशन एंड रिलीजन. एक बार दोबारा सुनो, क्रिटिक ऑफ सुपरस्टिशन एंड रिलीजन. मतलब अगर रिलीजन का क्रिटिक या अंधविश्वास का क्रिटिक करेंगे तो इस चीज के लिए भी एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया जाता है. एंड ईरान्स जुडिशरी हैज सेड दैट दीज मेन हैड अटर्ड सम नेगेटिव वर्ड्स फॉर द प्रॉफिट और फॉर स्क्रिप्चर्स, सो दैट वाज देयर जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर punishing these individuals. But the larger question is, in modern times, is blasphemy consistent with modern day right to free speech? If for every small excuse, every small reason, we resort to this law of blasphemy, then what is the meaning of free speech? Now everybody should realize that we are living in the 21st century. We are not living in the 10th century. This is the age of quantum computing, robotics, automation. So instead of focusing on science, if we get offended just by critique of superstition and critique of religion. Now यहाँ पे word ध्यान देने वाला है that it is saying critique of religion or critique of superstition. Critique doesn't mean that only criticism, only saying negative things about anything. It means saying some negative things and also offering some critical arguments, some improvement as well. It is not limited to only criticism. But of course, Iran is not limited in using this, or let's say misusing this law of blasphemy. जो इंडिया के नेबरहुड में भी है, उन देशों में भी ब्लैस्फेमी का कानून जो है बहुत मिसयूज होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इन पाकिस्तान recently a Chinese engineer was arrested on charges of blasphemy and another person was recently lynched by a mob in Pakistan for blasphemy. So this is how blasphemy law is misused also. Now let me point out one thing, that right to free speech doesn't mean that we go on hurting anybody's religious sentiments. That is true. But such है that just as we have our right to free speech, we should also respect people's religious sentiments. But in case religious sentiments are hurt, there are legal measures. There are other methods, other legal remedies. We can file a complaint against the police. We can get them arrested. Those remedies are available. But blasphemy, this is a very draconian kind of law where anything can be done in the name of blasphemy. Now, one more thing I want to remind. If anyone wants to enroll in our crash course, 1 month crash course, they should do so immediately. A few more seats are left. Okay. So just WhatsApp us or call us on this number 7678 160 296. Okay.